Sophia Gardens Pavilion was a performance venue located in Sophia Gardens, Cardiff, Wales. The venue was built in 1951 for the Festival of Britain and later became the boxing and wrestling venue for the 1958 British Empire and Commonwealth Games. History. The pavilion was built in 1951 for the Festival of Britain. Due to government restrictions on building materials during the post-war period, the framework of the building was adapted from a surplus aircraft hangar from RAF Stormy Down near Bridgend. The building was host to many concerts, but by 1982, the roof had collapsed due to an estimated 4 feet (1.2 meters) of snow, and the building was subsequently demolished. Just 1 month before the collapse, Cardiff County Borough Council had approved an extensive improvement program, which would have cost approximately £100,000. The pavilion was used for the boxing and wrestling competitions of the 1958 British Empire and Commonwealth Games. Many notable performers played at the pavilion, including Danny Kaye, Cliff Richard, Jimi Hendrix, Pink Floyd, and Slade. See also: List of Commonwealth Games venues. References. External links. Picture of Sophia Gardens Pavilion c. 1960. Fashion show in Cardiff. Aka Burkitex Fashions 1952 video showing interior of the pavilion.